So we've now reached the end of Module 7, which was all about MobX, and we've done a lot of refactoring of our code in this particular section, but hopefully you see the benefits of doing so because our application code, certainly from our client side, feels a lot cleaner now. And let's just take a look at the summary. And we've looked at an introduction to MobX and seen the API methods we're using, and it's pretty straightforward to use from a learning perspective. It's not difficult to get started with MobX. We also use the React context to store our store and make it accessible for anywhere inside our application. And we did a whole bunch of refactoring here as well. But you might have one question, and I did mention this earlier, is that we don't have to use decorators with MobX. There is an alternative. So I'm just going to go back to VS Code. So this is an example of a class using our existing store, but just converted to not use decorators. And what we're using instead is this decorate function. And down at the bottom of the class, we can see that I'm using this decorate function, and I pass in the store, and then all of the observables, the actions, and the computed properties are listed along with what type they are. So we've got all of our observables, we've got our computed property, and then all of our actions. And then if we take a look at the actual code, we can see that the observables are now just declared as normal class properties. Our computed property still uses the get operator followed by the function. And then all of the other methods inside here are just normal functions that are not decorated with the action decorator. So up next, we're going to take a look at React Router and add some routing functionality into our application.